totally awesome. Check it out. I think I figured out how to stretch across the swamp. Altogether, I have like 48 feet of extension. Well, altogether it's 48 feet. Anyway, this thing works so cool. It's our boom extension. I welded an 8-foot long I-beam to it and made a blade with some 4x4 steel tubes and some 1/4 inch and 3/8 plate. It's pretty heavy, but the machine can handle it. It reaches right out there, and it's pulling 8 feet of mud all at once, and it gets it so we are not getting stuck. This thing is bad to the bone. I didn't expect it to work as good as it does. It really pulls some mud. I originally built the boom extension for lifting heavy beams on job sites over the water off the barge. Then we adapted it with the blade to clean out boat slips. We could reach right up in there and clean them out. And now we're moving some mud. Get more Make It Happen engineering when you like and subscribe. This is how we do it in southern Louisiana. No matter what it takes, we make it happen.